Do some investigative reporting here.
So that's filling. And then I'll just stay there till it starts washing.
Ken, on your report, can you specify that it looks like it's on the interior of the wall?
I can't do anything like that.
Okay.
I can't verify that.
Just basically, oh, that's right. But you'll just say that it wasn't the dishwasher.
The dishwasher is working correctly and
Yeah.
not leaking.
Gotcha. That's fine. That's all you can do.
And when you open it so that you can verify there's water in the tub. Open this. So you can see it's nice and full of water.
Full of water. Good. Yep.
There's no water behind leaking anywhere.
Back in here?
Yeah. I'll turn the light that way.
Okay.
No water.
Yeah. That looks dry as a bone back there. Okay.
Drain the water.
Should be under here.
Which I would, at that point, record that section because that's where the pump is.
It's right here?
Yeah. So, down over here.
Okay.
Back right there, you see where that white tube is? That's your pump.
Okay.
When I cancel, the unit's going to drain. If it leaks, it'll drain out through that line.
Okay.
Draining now.
Where that clamp's at, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And then follow that line all the way out so you can see that there's no leaks.
Yep.
And then underneath the sink so that you can see that there's no leaks down there. So follow that white hose up into your garbage disposal. Dan's right over there. Right there. No water leaking.
No water leaking. This is dry as a bone.
And that's finished.
Okay, great. That's